Welcome to my YouTube channel. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. Today there are very important MCQs for Mdcat students. Question number 31. Which of the following are the properties of anti-inflammatory medicines? The right answer is option D. Question number 32. Stress indicating hormones are. The right answer is option D. Question number 33. Which of the following are insulin dependent growth receptors? The right answer is option D. Question number 34. Cats mostly shows which type of diabetes mellitus? The right answer is option B. Question number 35. Dogs mostly shows which type of diabetes mellitus? The right answer is option A. Question number 36. Stimulus for CCK hormones is. The right answer is option A. Question number 37. Which tube joins kidneys and bladder? The right answer is option B. Question number 38. What is the percentage of water present in our brain? The right answer is option D. Question number 39. There are cells in human body called phagot cells, which cause. The right answer is option D. Question number 14. Human blood is a viscous fluid due to. The right answer is option B. Question number 41. What is called movement of cell against concentration gradient? The right answer is option C. Question number 42. Which of the following excrete hydrochloric acid in stomach? The right answer is option D. Question number 43. Which of the following is a disease caused by deficiency of protein in children? The right answer is option B. Question number 44. Which of the following gases readily combines with the hemoglobin of the blood? The right answer is option A. Question number 45. Like enzymes, coenzymes can be used. The right answer is option C. Question number 46. Hemoglobin is dissolved in the blood of. The right answer is option A. Question number 47. Coelom is divided into septa in case of. The right answer is option B. Question number 48. Deficiency of vitamin C will cause. The right answer is option C. Question number 49. Which of the following proteins have role in heredity? The right answer is option D. Question number 15. Which is not an example of microbial Symbiosis. The right answer is option C. Thanks for watching my video.